Hello class. So this is the next part. This is part 4 of chapter number 6. Till now we have studied about community helpers. There are different kinds of community helpers. There are farmers, doctors, teachers, policemen. Now today we will be starting with the firefighters. Firefighters work to extinguish big or small fires. Now firefighters are whom? They are extinguishing the fires, either it is big or small. You have seen in some area or in any other case, in different kinds of situation, some fire is there. That fire has blown up due to some reason, either it is big or small. So then this kind of vehicle, which is of red color, it comes and then with the help of water they will extinguish the fire. They wear special gear and uniform to work in extremely dangerous condition. Now fire, you already know, it's a very dangerous thing, and those people who work in these conditions, these dangerous conditions, they wear special gear and uniform to work in this very dangerous condition. Firefighters rescue people who are trapped inside buildings in fires. Now firefighters do what? That they rescue people, they take out those people who has been stuck up in the particular building where the fire has blown up or in any of the other part. Often they risk their lives in saving people. Many times they are taking the risk of saving the people. Firefighters use fire engine for their work. Firefighters are using what? Fire engines for their work. They work from a fire station. Now they work from what? If in your locality or in any of the locality, if something has happened or suddenly fire has blown up, so what you have to do? You have to call this fire brigade, and suddenly they will be coming. They work from a fire station where these vehicles are there, the persons are there, that particular thing is called as fire station. Like I can give you one example. If we in the last video we have studied about the police. If we want to do a complaint, where do we go? We go to police stations. So like this, the fire stations are there in our locality or in our cities also. We can find a fire station in many neighborhoods. This is written that we can find many fire stations in our nearby area also. So this is about firefighters. Now come to the next part, that is community helpers. The road and alley of our town and cities are kept clean by a group of community helpers who sweep and clean our neighborhood every day. Now you have seen every day the roads are cleaned. How they are cleaned? Some of the workers in our cities, they are doing this kind of work. They sweep and clean our neighborhood every day. They also collect the garbage from our home and take it away for proper disposal. Now what they do? They clean the roads daily and they take the garbage from our houses and take it away to a particular proper disposal. Their work admits a lot of dust, which is a work hazard for them. Yet they continue with their work to keep our surrounding clean. Now they are working in very much dust, to totally mud area, very dusty daily, and this is not a simple work. This is a very difficult work because nobody likes to take all the garbage and all. You already know garbage is smelling and there are many things inside that. So they have to do this work, and yet they continue with their work to keep our surroundings clean. So these are who? They are community helpers, those who are keeping our surroundings clean. We should respect all community cleaners for the difficult job they do in keeping our city clean. Here what is written? We should respect all the community cleaners. Why? Because this is a very difficult job, and this job is of cleaning our particular city or our neighborhood. So we should always respect them. Now turn the page, children. Dignity of labor. Work is important because it allows people to earn their livelihoods. We go to school so that we can understand what interests us the most and continue learning more till we can start working in the area of our interest. Now what is written? Work is very important. Why work is important? Because it allows people to go to earn. Like many your parents are also going out to earn their money for their livelihood, for our daily needs. We should go to school so that we can understand what interests us the most and continue learning more till we can start working in our area. Now day by day daily we are going to work, and daily we are going to school also. Then at a particular moment in class 9 or 10, what we do, we are getting interest in a particular field or in a particular subject. Then it takes that interest and learn more till we start learning in that particular area. Because when you will grown up, so you have to take any subject. You have to choose any subject of your choice, and then you will be going in that particular stream, and then day by day after college and different types of exams, you will be succeeded and you will get a good job. Some kinds of work require many years of learning and studying, such as becoming a doctor. Now this becoming a doctor, engineer, this is not an easy thing. For this you have to work. For this you have to do many kinds of work. You have to learn and learn and learn, and you have to study higher to become doctors and engineer. It takes a long time for a person to learn, masters the knowledge well enough to start treating patients and healing them. Now it is what? It takes a long time for a person to learn masters. After college you have to do the master degree. After master degree, then you have to treat people, and treating the patients and heal them. You will be in a, first of all, directly you will not become a doctor. You will be in a particular probation period, and after that 6 months or 1 year, whatever it will be, it is completed. After that you got that degree, and you can open your own clinic, or you can go to any of the big hospitals to work as a doctor. Other kinds of work such as driving or carpentry needs less time of learning the craft and the mastering it. Now what they have done, other than doctor or engineer, there are driving, how to drive the vehicle, carpentry, the wooden work. These all things needs and learning. So we should always be learning. One can complete a course in driving and take a test. Now when you are learning, you have to go to a particular office, and then you have to give one driving test, and then you will get the license. Until and unless you will not get the license, you are not able to drive, because this is an offense. This is a punishment if you drive without the license. Similarly, someone who wants to become a carpenter may join a master carpenter as an apprentice and learn all about the craft. Now if you want to become a carpenter, so what you have to do, you have to learn all the kinds of carpenter, the wooden work, and you have to learn the art of being the how to do the wooden work. Following this, they can start working on their own. Now you can start working on their own, and what you can do is you can start working on your own also, or with the help of any shop you can work. All kinds of work are important for a community, as different kinds of work provide different kinds of services that a community needs. For example, a community cleaner does not need many years to learn the work, yet the work that she does is the essential for well-being of the entire community. Now what is this given? All kind of work are important for a community, as different kinds of community provide different services. So there are many kinds of services which our community is providing: carpenter, plumber, electricians, doctors, policemen, teachers, what we have learned in the last video. So these are the different kinds of community helpers who are helping us in many ways. So today till here we will be doing. In the next video I will be starting from here. Till then, please read the chapter nicely. Thank you, children.